Hey friend, welcome back. I'm Heather and today I am going to show you how to make these carrot cake energy balls. They are so delicious and you would not even know that they had carrot in them. They're filled with so many good for you things. We've got raw cashews, we've got dates for sweetness, carrot of course, and coconut along with some seasonings. Comes together super fast in a food processor and my kids love them. And I just love when food is fun. So let's go and make this together.
To make your carrot cake energy balls, begin by putting your cashews into your food processor and pulse 4 to 6 times or until they're broken into little pieces. Next, add your dates and remember to take them out of the water if you'd soaked them. And you'll want to pulse until that sticky mixture comes together. Next, we'll add our carrots, coconut oil, vanilla, cinnamon, sea salt, clove, and ginger. Pulse until everything is combined into a sticky mixture. You might have to scrape down the sides 1 or 2 times until it's into a pulsed mixture. You can refrigerate it right now if it's too sticky, or if it's not, begin to form into bowls, rolling about 2 tablespoons at a time. You can roll your bowls into extra shredded unsweetened coconut if you'd like, and turn them into delicious snowballs. Store in the fridge sealed, and enjoy!
All right, I hope that you got to make your, I want to call them snowballs, but they're carrot cake balls. So yummy. Okay, if you have, leave a comment down below. Let me know how they turned out. And if you guys are loving them just as much as we are, be sure that you're subscribed so that you're not missing out on any more of these yummy goodies that are coming to the channel. And I thank you so much for being here. You can find the printable recipe down in the links below. It's over on my website, fitmamarealfood.com. You can print it out, make it, save it, and enjoy it over and over again. All right, I'll see you guys later.